If you're stepping into the world of crypto day trading, understanding the right time frame is key. It's not just about charts and candles. It's about how quickly you react, how you analyze trends, and how you manage risk. So, what is a time frame? In trading, a time frame refers to the duration each candlestick on your chart represents. A 1-minute chart means each candle shows 1 minute of price action. A 15-minute chart means each candle covers 15 minutes. Now let's break down the most effective time frames for crypto day traders: 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute charts. 1-minute chart. This chart is made for scalpers, traders who make multiple trades within a short window. If you're looking to enter and exit quickly, this is your zone. You can catch rapid price movements and make quick profits. But be warned, it's fast, noisy, and can be overwhelming for beginners. You need sharp focus, quick decision-making, and a solid strategy. 5-minute chart. This is the most popular time frame for crypto day traders. It strikes a good balance between speed and accuracy. You can identify short-term trends, price patterns, and volume shifts without being overloaded by constant noise. It's perfect for making 3 to 6 trades a day while still staying actively engaged with the market. 15-minute chart. If you prefer fewer but more calculated trades, this one is for you. It gives you a broader view of price action and filters out false signals. Many traders use the 15-minute chart to analyze the overall trend before zooming into smaller time frames for precise entries. Which one should you use? There's no single best time frame for everyone. It depends on your style, experience, and risk tolerance. But here's a secret many pro traders follow. They use multi-timeframe analysis. For example, check the trend on the 15-minute chart. Spot opportunities on the 5-minute, fine-tune your entry on the 1-minute. This approach gives a clearer perspective and improves accuracy. Time frames guide your trades. But the real power comes from how you use them. No matter which chart you follow, always pair it with strong risk management and a clear strategy. At Vestlye, we're here to help you trade smarter, with tools, insights, and support built for traders like you. So choose your time frame wisely, stick to your plan, and grow with confidence.